Hi, my name is Mithun. I have built a library management system called BookMagnet, in which there is one admin called librarian, and we can see create several users. The librarian can add books, add sections, issue books, and revoke books as well. A user can request a book for a particular time period and can read the books that are issued for him. So let us create a user first. So now the registration of the user is successful. We have to log in. So now this is the home page of the application after logging in. So these are the books that the application has at present. So let us now request a book. So we have to give the time period until which we require this book. Let us give it as 10 hours and 1 day. So maximum time period that to request a book is 4 weeks. So if you request beyond 4 weeks, like let's say 15, 2 and 4, it will not take because it exceeds the 28 days time limit. So let us reduce it to 2 weeks now. And we have requested, so the request is being sent to the admin. So now the admin has to approve this request. So in this we have also all sections in which different section we have different sections which contains different books. So now in order to get these books, let us go and logging in as admin. So now we cannot create an admin, so let us just log in as admin. So now this is the home page for an admin. So to see the book request, we have the book request here. The Invisible Man, it was requested for 0 days, 1 day, 0 weeks, 1 day, and 10 hours by a username called Midun. So there are two books. Let us accept one and decline one. Now there are no requests. Let's go back and check now. So now one book is being allotted to this user, and one more book is not allotted. It is directly given for public again. So now we can read this. To read this, we have to click on view now. So this is the book. This is the ebook that we can access. So we can also download this by paying some money. But in my case, there is no payment gateway as such. So just by clicking on pay now, we can get downloaded. So now we can open this book. So after reading, we can wait until the return date is been come, or we can all directly return the book. So whenever we return the book, it will be showing in our passbook. So now after returning, we can give ratings to the book. So this rating is been updated in real time. So in a profile, we will have the personal details of the user. At present, he doesn't have any books in his shelf. Now let us request some books. Let us request this for 1 hour and this book for 2 hours and this book for 3 hours. Now let's go to the admin part and accept all these requests. Now we can see there are 3 books in our shelf. So this will be updated to 3. Whenever he returns a book, let's say he have returned this book. So now there's only 2 in his shelf. Change our password. Let's say we'll change it to some. So the password is changed successfully. Now we will also get a mail that password is being changed. If we are not done, we can report it directly to the admin. So this is what a user can do. Now let us go to admin page and see what admin can do. So we know that we can issue the books to users. We can also add books. We can also add sections. We can also revoke the books that are being issued to the users. Now let us revoke this 2 hours left book. So whenever we revoke this, you see the book will not be available here now. So we can also manage the existing books. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Currently there are 5 books and one book is not available not available. That is, it is being availed by some other user. So we can edit this book. Let's say this is not the Invisible Man. This is the Invisible Woman. We have to upload the cover photo. So now we will edit this. So the edit is successful. Now this becomes the Invisible Woman. So we can also delete a book. Let's say we'll delete this book. So the book is successfully deleted. Now this will not be shown for users now. So this is not being shown for users. Similarly, we can also manage sections. Now let us add a book called Aliens. It was written by Murray, author name is Murray. So the aliens. Now we have added the book successfully. Now the book builds friction. So now we'll select this and we'll edit the section. So the section is successfully edited and the book count becomes 3. Now let us check here. So the book is added to this science fiction category. Similarly, we can edit or delete sections. Now let us delete this section. So are you sure want deleting the section? Yes. So the section is now successfully deleted. Now let us check this. So there is no section down. There is only one section now. Also, we can download CSV files for the book issues. So let us give this date from 4th to 11th. So we are downloading it. So these are the issues of books between 4 and 11. So there are 3 books, so the 3 books will be shown here. But from this, I have also implemented batch jobs which will automatically send mails at a particular time. There are two jobs. One job is that at 7 p.m. daily, if the user have not visited the app, it will send a mail that we please visit the app. And at first of every month, the monthly report will be sent to the user of containing the books that were issued in the previous month. Also, password change mails will be sent to user. So this is the overview of my application. Thank you.